Up until now, I've been storing the sandpaper in a drawer of my workbench, and as you can see, it's impossible to keep it organized in a drawer like that. So today I'm organizing my sandpaper. Let's get started. It's done and it's unnecessarily fancy, I agree, but I didn't have a plan for this project. I just used the materials I had and went kind of crazy with it, experimenting with the acrylic and the CNC, and I also added these LED lights which has a sensor beneath here, so whenever it senses movement it lights up and I can see clearly all the sanding discs I have. So one of the best things with the workshop is just going out here and improving stuff and kind of building things without a plan, because that's when you get the most creativity out of it, I think. So I'm really pleased more with the process of making this than the end result. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the thumbs up if you like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Up until now, I've been storing my sandpaper, yeah, sandpaper,